Batisi TV, Lawan Rashipi Daka Frank Yamaha, the Maxi Sports Scooter Arox 155, Ringkat Bakanet Foodish, Ordar Mapi, Ninwan Ramani, Hakir Dobying Jompi.
Everything you say to me takes me one step closer to the edge. It all has to break. I need a little room to breathe. 'Cause I'm one step closer to the edge. And I'm about to break.
Sorkar jala kala Thaw dekat Meghalaya State Education Commission Pynbeit igi babun ki Jingduna hak tanat Pule Puthi yakni lepen bana do menteri rangba ke jala o konrad kongkal sangma hadien balawai ke jinyalang jangka kunhun menteri Sorkar o konrad ulai thu bakani ke commission kandon sangut ki khat bakan thup you chairperson secretary bat arngut ki nong ai buj bat ka kam jongani ke commission ke long ban ai jingmut ya ke Sorkar kumno bakan Pynbeit ya ke Pule Puthi lani ke education policy hak jala.
So we have constituted the Meghalaya State Education Commission today. It will be a 4-member committee with one chairperson and 2 advisors and 1 secretary. And basically the mandate is basically to advise the government of Meghalaya on matters relating to schools and colleges in the terms of their systems that are run there, their institutional structures, their salary structures, the overall schools and college management functioning and accountability, and to produce a concrete solution and strategic recommendation for ushering in reforms in the education system for the perspective of NEP and 2020 and also the state education policy and fulfilling its various principles and articulations. This will also include management of aided schools, institutions, their performance, concerning general functioning, activities, operation and accountability of the SMCs and the GBs, consolidation of the different categories of aided schools, colleges, and systems for granting and upgrading aided status of colleges and schools, establishment of effective mechanism to ensure pay parity with regards to salaries of teachers under different aided categories with respect to government teachers, the way forward for issues pertaining to teachers under SSA, rationalization of schools, especially with regards to unviable schools, surplus schools, low enrollment schools, zero enrollment schools, single digit enrollment schools, and single teacher schools. Problems relating to availability of language teachers, especially in border areas. Apart from that, there are many other points that are there, which are there mandated in this commission, and it will take a long time to read out. And if necessary, of course, I'll ask my team to share the necessary details and the mandate of this particular commission. But more importantly, as I said, it's important to note that this is one of the points that we have been talking about for a long time. And we strongly feel that, that we need to ensure that a full-fledged commission that works and looks into all aspects of education is there. Though in the last 4.5 years, of course, we have done whatever was possible from the government side. And I'm happy to inform you that the efforts that have been put in from the government of Meghalaya in the last 4 years has started showing some improvement. So we under the PGI scores that comes out from Niti Aayog, just recently there was a scoring, and I'm happy to inform you that the Niti Aayog has officially notified that in terms of infrastructure and facilities, Meghalaya is ranked number 2 in the sense that the second highest improvement in the country in terms of infrastructure has happened in the education sector in Meghalaya. And in fact, we are the highest improved school, state in the Northeast. And other areas also like equity also, we are the highest improved state in the Northeast and the 5th highest improved state in India. And in fact, overall, in all the 5 indexes that are there by the PGI, Niti Aayog, for the education sector, they have ranked Meghalaya as the 5th highest improved state in the country and the 2nd highest improved state in the Northeast. So though we have seen that our efforts are showing some results, but I think more focused approach is required. And hence, in spite of things moving forward, we would like to see that this Meghalaya State Education Commission will be able to take things forward in a much more structured manner in the long run. This requires a lot of thought process to go in. It has to really look into all the nitty-gritties of what are the complications and really come out with a viable solution as to how we could reduce the categories of schools. And as I said that this, of course, as a department, as a minister, as chief minister, sometimes it's not possible for us to give the kind of focus on these issues. And hence, we feel that an education commission will be able to do justice to ensure that to a large extent we'll be able to resolve this issue. So we're hoping that the education commission will be able to give us necessary suggestions on how we could address those issues.